When performing an interference detection on an assembly containing several hole wizard holes and toolbox fasteners, we're often presented with several results that are the interference between the fasteners and the holes themselves. This is a result of the hole wizard using the drill diameter and the fasteners using the major diameter of the thread shank. Users have typically combated this by using the Create Fasteners folder to blanket ignore all the fasteners in the design. But are these results correct? New in SolidWorks 2013 is the ability to create a Matching Cosmetic Threads folder. This specifically combines interferences created by matching cosmetic threads. What about these other results, however? They look like fasteners and tapped holes. Well, in this case, the interference detection tool can actually find mismatched hole types. In this case, we have an M6 tapped hole and an M8 fastener. We can remedy this by simply changing the size of the hole, editing the component, and doing a quick update. Now, when we run interference detection again, we can see that all the cosmetic threads match and provide the right size. There are two more interferences here to take a look at, however. As we can see, using the old method, we would have missed this interference between this hex head cap screw's head and the handle of this assembly. Finally, new in 2013 is the ability to save ignored interferences across sessions. This is great for intended interferences such as this O-ring or gasket in this design. This way, interference detection gives us clear, concise, and predictable results.